Here I have LG V30 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to decide which screen that you want to capture. So in my case it could be, for example, simply the calendar. And let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use this combination of keys, the power key right here at the back of the device and the volume down. You need to hold down together these two keys for 2 seconds. Let me do it. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Let's hold down simultaneously volume down and power key. So let's do it together for 2 seconds. And you just save the following screen. What's more, you can also use some other method of taking screenshots. All you have to do is use the upper bar and choose this capture plus icon right here at the left edge of the device. As you can see now, you can simply tap save by using this icon right here. You have to decide either you would like to use gallery or quick memo. In my case it could be the gallery, and you just save this picture. You may also accomplish that. Let me show you. Let's use the capture plus, and you can here save something more than just the screenshot. You can make some changes. For example, you can choose your pencil and now you can draw something on the following screen. You can mark some data and other stuff. And if you would like to save this, let's just use the same key and let's choose gallery or quick memo. You may use as a default app, for example, the gallery. And now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, all you have to do is use the upper bar and tap screenshot captured. You may also accomplish that by using your home screen, finding and selecting the gallery. From the gallery, let's choose the capture plus right here. And here you can choose your screenshots that you took by capture plus, or you may also accomplish that by using the screenshots right here, and here you've got your screenshots. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.